This is Melissa from Boston, and the Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training Program required me over this past year to engage in yoga and meditation every single day. And through that daily practice, a deep healing at the core of my being occurred over time. And through that healing, a profound well of self-love developed that enabled me to repair my relationship and my marriage with my husband, to deepen my relationship as a friend, as a mother, as a sister, and really change the way that I practice law to bring in so much more light of healing grace, understanding, and compassion. It also inspired me through making videos to build a community of women supporting women where we can share our shame stories, unburden them, and in so doing, heal very deeply. And so this experience has changed my life on every level and in the most beautiful ways possible. I'm so very grateful for this program, for all the beautiful women and men who I've come to know through this program, and for the profound, deep, life-changing healing that comes from understanding this practice and making it part of my daily self-care. So I'm very grateful. Sat Nam.